So this is what I've picked up. It's a 1995 Suzuki DR250. So I've gone and done it again. Yep, I've bought another bike. Yeah, one of those last minute purchases off Facebook Marketplace. We're never intending on buying another bike, and yeah, I had a quick look through one night, come up right price. We was a bit skeptical. It's got no key and it's got no logbook, but we went to go look at this bike. It was only 10 minutes down the road. The lad assured me he's had it checked out by the police and it's not on any registers for being nicked. So we did a deal, 680 quid, proper bargain. Let's go take a look. So this bike is actually all there. It came without a logbook, and if you've seen already, it's got no key. It has actually been hot wired to make it start. It runs a bit boggy, but we're going to take the car apart, give it a good clean down. Hopefully it'll sort that issue out. All the panels are there. I think it just needs a bit of tightening up, new seat, new exhaust. I'm going to change out the brake pads, new chain, bit of service on it. It should be good to go. Be a nice little learning bike. I don't know whether to go down the route of fully restoring it or do a bit of a retro mod. I'm half tempted to do a bit of an adventure bike for a bit of wild camping. Stick a comment down below, let me know your thoughts.